Keep your old crusty wigs. You never know when you might need it to throw into a headband wig just like that. They come in handy. Synthetic wear. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as y'all can see, I don't have any hair on. That's what the whole video is about today. It's an old synthetic wig that I made, honestly, over a year ago that I still wear for workouts and things like that. 'Cause I get a lot of questions when I'm out about this hair and how I do everything, but it's literally a 5-minute step. Let me go ahead and show you how I do this. This right here is my very old synthetic wig. I've had this for about, like I said, over a year, and it is still holding up, as y'all can see. The girl can make some wigs. Apparently they can hold up. I like it. So this is the old wig. Over time, you know, with synthetic hair, it kind of sticks and mats. I mean, it look good. It still look pretty good, but when you put it on, it looks kind of tacky. I figured I still wanted to use this wig anyways because I do a lot of working out, and half of the time my hair is braided up like this, and I'm not about to go to the gym looking like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw her on my head like this. Ooh, actually it don't look too bad on camera still, okay. Take my bobby pin. You can put as many as you want up here, it's up to you. I pretty much put 2 and then 1 in the back and 2 on the sides, and I'll show you why. It's kind of up in the back a little bit too, just because I want to make sure I kind of gather as much hair as I can. Now with this part, pretty much gather all this little hair, throw it up in a high bun, make sure your wig is still secure, sis. I usually have like a little bit of like one piece down here to kind of give it a little pizzazz, like I got a little curly Q just hanging down there. So I don't have no way of putting it in a bun. I literally just take my little scrunchie, throw it like that, like a little messy bun. Now the last step is I take my headscarf, and this is one of my favorite head wraps actually. It's from a Black-owned company, The Wrap Life. Check them out. Very, very stretchy knit scarf, headscarf that I have. Take this and just wrap it and do your little wrap style. If you know how to wrap your hair, this is pretty much the easiest way to do. So I'll take my little wrap, make sure the back is covered because we don't want to see those bands. And pretty much you just wrap to how you want to, just making sure you kind of cover everything. So I'm just doing a basic quick wrap around my head, and this is normally how I pretty much wear this wrap all the time with this hairstyle. Wrap, tuck, pull your little ear tabs down if you want to, put your little hoops on, because you know hoops make everybody look good. I don't care what you have on, you throw a hoop on, your whole outfit change. And look at that, little curly Q down there, and look, just like that, we have a hairstyle. You can push this back if you need to reveal some of your hair. If you want to show that, you can, you know, gel your edges down, make sure that's all good. Or you can pull this piece down right here to cover the edges if you're not, you know, if you don't feel like flourishing them or just don't want to do them or whatever. Hairstyle just like that in 5 minutes with an old crusty wig. You cannot beat that, y'all. All right, that's it, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.